QA study and completing the order. In acquisition mode, this is where you would normally scan your plates to get your digital radiographs. Right now we're going to simulate a scan. As you can see, we have now a full image up on your screen. But let's go ahead and get 2 images. We're going to simulate a second image. Now we have 2. You see on the left, we have 2 thumbnails. And then that thumbnail will be displayed on the screen. On the right, you will have a QA section of an accept and reject, as well as some tools. These tools will help you what we call QA. This is a window level function. Changes your brightness, your contrast, as well as your densities from black to almost white. And if you need to reset, there is a reset button. Next, you have orientation. This will rotate positive, negative, 90 degrees, as well as a flip and a mirror. We also have something called a mask or a shutter. This will help you collimate out all the white perimeter from collimation by clicking the square, clicking once and dragging completely down, covering your region of interest, and this will now shutter out the collimated area. We also have another function called LR, which is your left and right annotations. We're going to place a left marker by clicking and then clicking again on the image. Next, we have an accept or reject. At this point, we QA'd and we're going to accept. If you notice now on the thumbnail on the left, we do have a green check mark, letting you know that everything has been QA'd and is properly stored. Here's the second image. We're going to run through this a little quickly. We're going to orientate. We're going to put a shutter. This shutter allowed us to keep the L marker in, so there's no need for a marker. And we're going to slightly window level this image, adjust it. Next, we're going to accept. And you will notice we have 2 green check marks. The next thing we want to do is what we call completing the order. Once you complete that order, it removes the study from the work list and then sends the study to the appropriate locations.